Maldives to Bali, Thailand, and Vietnam, Asia is home to some of the most breathtakingly beautiful beaches in the world. These beaches are perfect for relaxing and soaking up the sun with crystal clear water, white sand beaches, and lush vegetation. Many of these beaches also offer excellent scuba diving and snorkeling conditions because they are surrounded by thriving coral reefs and a profusion of marine life. If you're looking for a truly memorable beach holiday, add one of these top 15 beaches in Asia to your list. Before we get into our top 15 beaches, here's a quick reminder. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. Now let's get to the countdown. Number 15. Kelingking Beach, Bali. Imagine a paradise with smooth white sands and turquoise sea and bizarre rock formations with greenery. Kelingking Beach has that. Kelingking Beach was named 2021's most Instagrammable beach. The site evaluated 26 million Instagram hashtags for most popular beach in the world and beach-related posts. Kelingking is a lonely beach surrounded by rugged cliffs that few visitors visit. This shore-break beach is nicknamed T-Rex Bay because the green rocks over the water resemble a Tyrannosaurus Rex's open mouth. Kelingking Beach demands a steep descent over treacherous limestone rocks guarded by uneven bamboo bars. Still, the payoff is a nearly deserted golden beach where you can feel the power of the water. Number 14. KohSamui, Thailand. Thailand's second largest island isn't as famous as Phuket, but that means fewer tourists, more excellent beaches, and less overdevelopment. KohSamui has Thailand's whitest beaches. Add is your Gulf of Thailand waves and coconut trees for tropical bliss. It boasts one of the country's most significant concentrations of luxury hotels, yet there are plenty of places to hide. Some KohSamui beaches are loud and busy with young solitary vacationers, whereas others are serene. KohSamui has sports, sunbathing, and sand massages. KohSamui is a must-see. Number 13. Radhanagar Beach, Havelock Island, India. Radhanagar Beach is one of Asia's best. It's the 7th most beautiful beach in the world due to its stunning beauty. Sunrise and sunset at Radhanagar Beach are beautiful. One can spend hours on the shore enjoying the sky and sea blending. You can try scuba diving and other beach water activities if you're daring. Radhanagar Beach's food vendors offer delicious seafood. Appreciate Radhanagar Beach's splendor. Number 12. Ngapali Beach, Myanmar. Bacon's temples and the Inle Lake balancing fishermen have brought international attention to Myanmar. Since getting here can be difficult, why not end your Myanmar trip on one of Asia's most stunning beaches instead? Imagine lounging under a coconut tree on the dazzling white sand while waves sweep the shore. Drink in hand, thoughts far away. This is Ngapali Beach. 7 kilometers of turquoise sea and powdery white sand make up the beach of your fantasies. Ngapali Beach in Myanmar is one of our favorite places to relax in all of Asia. Myanmar does, in fact, have some fantastic, largely untouched beachfront property. Ngapali Beach is world famous. Forbes named Ngapali Beach one of the 50 best beaches in December 2018, citing its beauty, sand, and clean waters. Number 11. Phi Phi Islands, Thailand. The 6 Phi Phi Islands include Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Leh. These postcard-perfect islands are 45 minutes by speedboat or 90 minutes by ferry from Phuket or Krabi. Phi Phi's beaches, limestone formations, and blue waters are rich with marine life. The larger, inhabited Phi Phi Don attracts hundreds of tourists, while the smaller, uninhabited Phi Phi Leh boasts Maya Bay. There's enough to do even on Phi Phi's most minor islands. Phi Phi's larger islands have magnificent beaches and bays. Above azure oceans are limestone cliffs, white sands, and palms. Underneath are coral reefs and aquatic life. Its natural Phi Phi has few artificial attractions. It's all about Thailand's natural beauty. Number 10. Mirissa, Sri Lanka. Golden sand beaches line the coast of Sri Lanka, an island country in Asia. Mirissa Beach is located to the south of Colombo and features palm trees, soft sand, and clear bouncing waves that are perfect for swimming and surfing. However, Mirissa's principal driver of development has been its role as Sri Lanka's leading whale-watching location. It's not uncommon to see a number of whales within easy viewing distance of the shore. From the months of December through April, a plethora of local tour operators offer boat cruises for tourists. Number 9. SonevaFushi, Maldives. When it comes to tropical paradises, SonevaFushi is in a class all its own. The entire island, one of the largest in the Maldives, is covered in a stunning green, dense jungle and is bordered on all sides by white palm fringe beaches and a ridiculously pristine, shimmering turquoise lagoon. One of the Maldives' largest islands, SonevaFushi is also one of the world's most biodiverse. From dining in the canopy of our jungle to relaxing in barefoot luxury on a desert island, this priceless place is packed with unforgettable adventures. Number 8. Siquijor, Philippines. Siquijor has unearthly beaches. Philippine islands include turquoise waters and tens of kilometers of white sand beaches. Siquijor Island's beaches are pristine. The crystal clear waters of the beach make a good snorkeling and diving spot for locals and tourists. Siquijor is famous for its coastline, waterfalls, corals, caverns, giant trees, white sand beaches, and panoramic views. Number 7. Cua Dai Beach, Vietnam. Located on the eastern coast of Vietnam, just 5 kilometers from the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Hoi An, it offers 3 kilometers of white sand beaches, bright blue water, and gentle waves. Its idyllic vista is perfect for coastal leisure. This beach attracts thousands of vacationers every year, seeking the magic of a tropical paradise. The months of April through September are the busiest for visitors, but the months of October through December are ideal for surfers and other extreme water sport enthusiasts. This place will suit your needs if you want a relaxing holiday with your family or alone. Number 6. PomPom Island, Malaysia. PomPom Island is a well-kept secret in Southeast Asia. White sand beaches and calm surf make it an ideal family or romantic vacation spot. The island's coral reefs are great for scuba diving and snorkeling, but that's just the beginning. PomPom's waters are teeming with fish, so snorkelers and divers can easily find food. PomPom Island's nutrient-rich waters offer world-class macro diving. PomPom Island in Sabah, Malaysia is where you want to go to see the world's smallest nudie branch. PomPom has become a famous tourist destination. Beautiful beaches and marine turtles contribute to the area's fame. Number 5. Railay Beach, Thailand. Limestone cliffs prevent land transport to this beach in Thailand's Krabi province. Cave explorers, jungle explorers, rock climbers, and those looking to unwind will all find plenty to do. It's a tropical paradise in Thailand with a beach and cliffs, magnificent beaches, a mountainous coastline covered in dense jungle, and a relaxed vibe all await you in Railay. Railay is the stuff of Thailand's fantasies. White sand and turquoise water characterize West Railay Beach, which is framed by towering cliffs. The beach is beautiful and perfect for swimming, tanning, and strolling. Number 4. Butterfly Beach, Goa, India. It has some of Goa's best views and marine life. The beach is known for dolphin acrobatics and butterfly flights. Northern Palolem is Butterfly Beach. Here's a white sand, clear water beach. It's one of Goa's quietest beaches, excellent for peace seekers. Butterfly Beach is a little inlet near Palolem Beach. Dolphins can be seen on a paddle boat to the beach. Butterfly Beach has rocks. When the beachside trees bloomed, travelers saw many butterflies. At low tide, you can watch sunsets on the beach. Number 3. El Nido, Palawan, Philippines. The Western Philippines have a unique island archipelago with breathtaking beauty. Travelers who visit heaven on earth agree. El Nido is 420 kilometers southwest of Manila on Palawan Island. El Nido's geology is unique because it's part of the Sunda tectonic plate. The beach was magnificent with coconut trees, nice sand, a calm sea, and mountains in the distance. The sunset was beautiful with gold hues behind the hills. Limestone cliffs surround emerald and sapphire bays. Multicolored aquatic life swims in the protected currents. El Nido is one of the world's most fantastic beaches, yet it's still relatively unknown to foreign tourists and keeps its beauty and local flavor. Number 2. Boracay, Philippines. Many consider Asia's most stunning beach because of its tranquility, gentle waves, and gently sloping sand. TripAdvisor's annual list of the best beaches features Boracay Island. Travelers have ranked Boracay as the #1 island in Asia and the world's #24 best island. Boracay remains a popular vacation spot due to its consistently high quality. The previous year was the third year in a row with the same ranking. When it comes to high-end travel publications, no one compares to Condé Nast Traveler. You are probably aware of their methodology for ranking the world's greatest islands and their opinion significance. Boracay defeated Tahiti, Santorini, and Bali in a 2016 Condé Nast Traveler survey of 300,000 vacationers worldwide. Boracay rules, and it's easy to see why. Number 1. Pink Beach, Komodo, Indonesia. Komodo Island in Indonesia is known for its pink beach, which features reddish sand and turquoise sea. Getting there is simple. Take a ferry from the city from Labuan Bajo in Flores. Indeed, Komodo Beach isn't the only pink beach in Indonesia. There are many others in Komodo National Park and other in Lombok, which is close to Bali. However, pink beaches are exceedingly rare. In fact, there is only a handful of them globally. Asiatic beaches are renowned for their natural beauty, and these 15 are no exception. Each beach has its unique charm, from the turquoise waters of the Maldives to the dramatic cliffs of Vietnam. Check out our selection of Asia's top 15 most fantastic beaches for a romantic or family vacation. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please subscribe and like our video. Also, did we miss any beaches you've been to? Let us know in the comments.